So a 12-year-old boy was brought suffering from very severe attacks of asthma. The child was only son. One uncle was unmarried, another one had no issues. And the child was favorite of everybody and was a very precious child. As soon as there is a change of climate, there was some threat from the friends. There were exams. So it was more of emotional and little of climatic. Okay. Patient was dependent on bronchodilators, steroid. Patient was very chilly during the attack. Very chilly. Asthma was better by rocking, better by bending double, putting the head on the pillow with a severe pain. Now we have taken the case. Asthma better by rocking, better by bending double, putting head on the pillow. Some input from you, friends. What is the remedy? It's a simple case. Arsenical, colocynth, very good. Sina, medorinum. More inputs. Surinam, colocynth. Beautiful. Any more? Friends, still not right remedy. Medorinum, no. Medorinum is hot. Very good. 3 people. Kalikarb, beautiful. The remedy is Kalikarb. How do we come to this? See, very simple. Symptoms which were considered was anxiety. See, why Kalikarb? Understand, medorinum is hot. Both Kalikarb and medorinum has similar symptoms. But here the patient is chilly. Asthma better by bending forward, asthma better by rocking, concomitant back pain. The entire concept changes. See the beauty. How beautifully this particular remedy gets displayed. On repertorization in the software, you get a totally response. And see, when we refer the materia medica, spasmodic asthma, better by sitting up and bending forward, resting head on knees. The patient was given, sorry, I'm a bit fast. I wanted to ask you what potency, how frequently. Was a precious child. The sensitivity was very good. Susceptibility was very good. Young child. So, you gave Kalikarb 32 pills every 4 hourly. And see, Boning-Hoshin says a beautiful thing, friends. Whenever there is a particular modality which is there at a specific level, it can be applied to a general level also. And at this stage, I will share with you a beautiful case which came from Sri Lanka with a nephrotic syndrome. Okay. The patient came with a nephrotic syndrome. This young boy had a very severe pain. Severe means he could not sit. The mother said, "What do I do now?" There were a lot of patients waiting in my waiting room. And I am always in the habit of going out frequently to see how people are sitting, how they are behaving, okay, how they are responding. So when I went and saw this child who had come from Sri Lanka, he was continuously rocking. Okay, the patient was rocking. I took the patient inside and understand it's a case of nephrotic syndrome. Very difficult to manage. I took the patient inside, understood that there was a severe pain. The pain was better by rocking. I gave the same remedy, Kalicarb. Friends, what potency you will give now? What is nephrotic syndrome? What pathology it is? It is a simple case or it's a complicated case? Friends, react. Now we are all senior now in the webinars. You know, we have crossed halfway of the webinar. Kidney pathology, complicated. Yes, beautiful. What miasm it is? What miasm it is? Is it SORA, psychotic, tubercular, syphilitic? Dr. Das says syphilitic, and it is syphilitic. It's a damage. It's a damage. Please understand this. The kidneys are damaged and the severity is very high. Now, with so much of sensitivity, so much of pathology in the syphilitic phase. See, friends, if you give 200 potency, what will happen? The patient is in acute phase, acute syphilitic pain. Acute syphilitic pain. Beautiful. Darlus says 6 potency, 6C. Beautiful. How frequently you will give? How frequently you will give? The patient is in agony. How frequently will you give? The patient was given 6 potency every half an hourly. In 2 hours, the pain completely disappeared. A patient who was suffering for many days with intermittent pain, the pain completely disappeared in 2 hours. Friends, this is the depth in which the medicine can work if you select it currently. Coming back to the case, in this case, the patient was given 2 pills every 4 hourly during the acute phase. Okay? And the patient started feeling better. Gradually, because the acute phase went away, we gave Kalicarb 203 doses. The patient recovered completely and there was nothing left. Because the patient was sensitive, he could react to the medicine beautifully, and within 3 doses of Kalicarb 200, see, once the vitality is raised, then you can give higher potency. So what is the learning? In the acute totality, the characteristic modality and the concomitant played a very important role in making the correct prescription. And here in this case, the acute totality, can we go back to the slides? In the case, the acute totality and the constitutional prescription just match perfectly. So acute exacerbation and the constitutional expressions both were running parallel. The right medicine changed the constitution, removed the disease completely.